So, what is the Seadragon? Seadragon is one of the most intricately camouflaged creatures in the ocean, closely related to seahorse, famous for its striking plant-like appearance, which allow it to blend seamlessly into kelp forests and seagrass beds. Endemic exclusively to the temperate coastal water of southern and western Australia, serve as a spectacular example of evolutionary adaptation and a major symbol of marine conservation. So the genus is Phycodurus. The genus is monotypic. It contains only one single species, name of derived from the Greek words which is phykos, meaning seaweed, and aura, meaning tail, perfectly describing its appearance. Next one is species. The scientific name is Phycodurus equus. The specific epithet equus comes from the Latin word for knight, and hinting at its horse-like head and regal armor appearance reminiscent of medieval knight. Furthermore, Seadragon have a unique physical features. The first one is leaf-like appendages. Has numerous leaf-shaped skin lobe covering its body. These lobes are not fin and do not aid swimming. Their main function is camouflage. Help the fish resemble drifting kelp or seaweed. Makes it difficult for predator to spot. And the next one is propulsion system. Use tiny, nearly transparent pectoral and dorsal fin to swim. Fins vibrate rapidly to move the animal slowly and smoothly. Movement resemble drifting debris in the current, and head maintains its camouflage and avoid detection.
Fused jaw and long snout. Leafy sea dragons have legs, teeth, and a true stomach, similar to seahorse. They have a long, pipe-like snout that creates a powerful vacuum, allowing them to suck up tiny prey wool. Independent eyes. Leafy sea dragons have independent eyes that can move separately from each other. This enables them to scan for predators while tracking prey at the same time, without needing to move their body while observing their surroundings. Rigid body armor. The body of a leafy sea dragon is covered with tough, bony plates instead of flexible scale. These plates provide protection from predators and help defend the animal against predators that are able to spot it. Rigid body armor. The body of a leafy sea dragon is covered with tough, bony plates instead of flexible scale. These plates provide protection from predators and help defend the animal against predators that are able to spot it. Rigid body armor. The body of a leafy sea dragon is covered with tough, bony plates instead of flexible scale. These plates provide protection from predators and help defend the animal against predators that are able to spot it. Rigid body armor. The body of a leafy sea dragon is covered with tough, bony plates instead of flexible scale. These plates provide protection from predators and help defend the animal against predators that are able to spot it. Rigid body armor. The body of a leafy sea dragon is covered with tough, bony plates instead of flexible scale. These plates provide protection from predators and help defend the animal against predators that are able to spot it. Rigid body armor. The body of a leafy sea dragon is covered with tough, bony plates instead of flexible scale. These plates provide protection from predators and help defend the animal against predators that are able to spot it. Ecological roles. The first one is ambush predators. They feed predominantly on tiny crustaceans such as mysid shrimp, often called sea lice, amphipod, and larval fish. Second one is prey species. They are occasionally preyed upon by larger predator fish, sea lion, and cormorant, serving as a minor energy link in the coastal food web. Next, importance and significance. Why it matters to human and nature. For human, first one is cultural and ecotourism icon. Major draw for scuba divers and marine photographers worldwide, driving sustainable ecotourism in South Australia. Second one is scientific value. Offer evolutionary biologists incredible insight into morphological adaptation, genetic isolation, and unique reproductive strategies. For natures, Leafy Seadragon act as a vital indicator species for marine health. Their population health directly reflect the overall ecological status of Australian unique southern rocky reef.
Major threats for Leafy Seadragon is habitat loss, urban runoff pollution, coastal development, and rising sea temperature threaten the health of the kelp forest and the seagrass bed they rely on. Second is the weak swimming ability. Lacking a prehensile grasping tail, unlike their seahorse cousins, Leafy Seadragons cannot anchor themselves to plants. During heavy storms, powerful waves frequently wash them ashore where they perish. Lastly, we have illegal poaching. Historically, they were targeted by the illegal aquarium trade due to their exotic beauty. Though strict laws have heavily curbed this practice today, conservation efforts under legal protection, it is fully protected under Australian Federal Law, Environment Protection and Biodiversity Conservation Act, 1999. Capturing, disturbing, or exporting them requires special government permits. Under Marine Protected Area (MPAs), Encounter Bay and waters around Kangaroo Island are designated as marine sanctuaries. This area protect feeding and breeding grounds from human disturbance. Citizen science programs like Dragon Search encourage public sighting reporting. Researchers use photo databases to monitor population trends and movement. Fun facts about Leafy Seadragons: male carry the young where female deposit about 250 pink eggs on a brood patch under a male's tail. Eggs are fertilized and carried for up to 8 weeks before hatching, can change color density based on stress, diet, or environment. Color range from pale yellow to deep greenish brown. It lacks a stomach and cannot store food, so they must feed almost continuously throughout the day. They consume thousands of tiny shrimp daily. In conclusion, the Leafy Seadragon is a marvel of natural selection, transforming what could be a physical disadvantage with swimming ability into an advantage through flawless camouflage. Protecting this fragile species requires active preservation of the southern Australian marine environments. By ensuring the survival of Physoderus equus, we safeguard the entire temperate reef ecosystem it represents.